There, now both of you have your food. You can eat it. Whoa, what just happened? Hi guys, Skye and Chase are here ready to cook some food.
Hello, little earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. And we're going to help Skye and Chase cook some food. Zim zam shabam!
Ooh, look at all this food Marty got us to cook. Let's get started cooking. Here, I have a plate for Chase and a plate for Skye. So let's cook some food. First, let's cook some vegetables. There. Gotta turn this on. Okay, so look, we're cooking some carrots, and carrots are orange. So let's give everyone a good carrot. And what else? We got some corn, and corn is yellow. So let's give everyone some yellow corn. Whoops! Oh, it made it on his plate. Okay, and then here we go. Broccoli is green. So let's give everyone some broccoli. There. What else do we have to make? It looks like I have a hamburger patty here. Whoop. So let's make a hamburger. Who wants a hamburger? Me. Okay. Whoop. Let's cook a hamburger for Skye. Okay, that's all done. So let's put it on our patty. And then we need some cheese, tomato, pickles. And there's our hamburger for Skye. Let's set it on her plate. There. Yay! Wait, Skye, wait. What? You have to wait to eat. You gotta wait until Chase has his food too. Okay. There you go. Now I have this yummy steak for Chase, so let's cook it. Okay, that's all done. So let's get that out and put it on Chase's plate. We can move our barbecue. There, now both of you have your food. You can eat it. Whoa, what just happened? Skye, what happened? I don't know. Skye's hamburger turned into a giant cat hamburger. Look. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, well, I guess Skye just gets a giant hamburger. Okay, everyone, dig in. That was so good. Okay, guys, remember your manners. Here you go. Gotta wipe off your mouth and keep your plates nice and clean. Good job, Paw Patrol. That was a good little barbecue.
Good job, everyone. Now, let's see what's going to happen next.
Let's open up our fridge. Oh, what is in the fridge? What? Oh, it is so messy. Look, there's slime and spiders in it. Hi guys, we have all of our Paw Patrol here with our fun little fridge. Hey Paw Patrol, look what I got. I bought all of this food and we need to put it in this fridge. That sounds fun.
Hi little earthlings, it's me, Marty the Martian. And we're gonna help Paw Patrol put stuff in the fridge.
Yay, this is gonna be fun. We have all this food to put in the fridge. So, let's open up our fridge. Oh, what is in the fridge? What? Oh, it is so messy. Look, there's slime and spiders in it. We have to clean this whole thing out. Here's some more slime. Whoa, that slime didn't want to come off. Let's look at this one. Oh, this one has a spider in it. This is all coming out pretty easy. Ooh, that's a lot of slime to be in the fridge. When was the last time someone used this? There, that's our last spider. Let's make sure we get all of the slime out of here though. Okay, Paw Patrol, but we're not done. We have to wipe it down because it just had so much slime in it. Okay, so let's grab our little wipe. Wipe everything all down. Wipe everything all clean and nice. There, now the fridge is all clean. Okay, now let's stock the fridge with all the food that Mickey bought. Okay, let's see. It looks like we have some sort of ice cream right here. Let's stick it right there. Ooh, look, he also got us some eggs. These eggs are white. Let's put them on the top shelf in there. Look what else we have. We have this fun little ice cube tray. Let's fill it up with ice cubes. There, look, it has 6 ice cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it goes on the top shelf in the freezer. What else do we have? We have some green melon, which I think this is probably melon juice. That sounds good. Let's put it in the door. We have some more ice cream. Look how yummy that ice cream looks. Let's put it right there. And what else do we have? We have some lemonade. This is yellow lemonade. Put it on the bottom shelf in the door. And, oh, don't forget about our ketchup. We have to have ketchup. And this ketchup bottle is red. We can put it by the lemonade. As well as our milk. This is our milk. It's blue. Let's put it, let's see if we can fit our milk right there and our ketchup up there. That's really good. We're really good at putting things away. Now how about this? This looks like some grape juice. Can we fit it right there? We sure can. Oh, look, we also have some fish. This is a white fish. Let's put it right in here. Oh, and don't forget about our lettuce. We have to eat our vegetables. This lettuce is green. We have 2 more juices right here. We have apple and pineapple. Apple is red and pineapple's orange. We also have some orange juice that's orange. Look what I found. I found some cookies. We also have some strawberry juice, which is red. We have a good old steak right here. It's brown. We can put it up here with all the meat. We found some soda. This is yellow soda. And some strawberry ice cream. Let's put it right in there. And our last thing we have is this fun little cake. It has green kiwis, orange mandarins, and red strawberries. It goes down here in this drawer. Boop. Look, Look how good a job we did, you guys. Everything's all clean and full of food. Good job, and thank you, Mickey, for buying all of our food. You're welcome.
Good job, you guys. That was a big task, but you did very good. Good job cleaning. But now, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi, guys. Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim, zam, shabam. Oh, look. Here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.